How to register on electronic signature ePUAP in Poland. Step-by-step guide. Electronic signature, electronic platform of public administration services. In other words, Trusted Profile allows you to sign and communicate online with Polish authorities. Good afternoon, I'm Bartosz, and I work for Progress Holding. For 20 years, Progress Holding has been helping investors and entrepreneurs from more than 30 countries confidently enter the Polish market and successfully grow their businesses. Our team supports clients at every stage, from company registration to daily accounting and administrative services. In today's video, we'll explain how to register electronic signature in Poland. Visit the ePUAP website and start registration. Go to website pz.gov.pl, click Zarejestruj się, register, in the left bottom corner. Fill in the registration form. 1. First name, last name. 2nd PESEL number, if you have one. 3. Username, no special characters. 4. Password. 5th email address. Accept the terms and conditions, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Register. Confirm your phone number. A verification SMS will be sent to the phone number you provided. Enter the code and confirm. If you entered your PESEL, a trusted profile request is generated automatically. Log in to your ePUAP account. Click Zaloguj się, log in, and use your username/email and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the user dashboard, where you can access your inbox, services list, and trusted profile menu. Submit a trusted profile application. Go to My Trusted Profiles. Click Apply for Trusted Profile. Confirm your personal details. Choose a verification method, email or SMS, usually email. Enter your email and click Verify. Enter the code received and click Submit Application. Confirm your trusted profile in one of 3 ways. You have 14 days to confirm your identity. Choose one of the following methods. A. In person. Visit an authorized confirmation point, municipal office, tax office, ZUS, or Polish consulate. Bring your ID or passport. A clerk will verify your identity and activate your trusted profile. Once confirmed, you can sign official online documents and forms, access services like ZUS, social insurance, e-tax office, and others. Summary table, step action. Register on ePUAP, form, CAPTCHA, PESEL. Confirm phone number via SMS. Log in to your ePUAP account. Apply for trusted profile, if needed. Confirm identity, in-person/bank/certificate. Use trusted profile for e-services. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, Progress Holding will be happy to answer them on email. Talk to you soon.